atmosphere formed long before any humans were around to observe it. Therefore, what scientists need to do is to develop a theory in order to explain or predict what the early atmosphere was like, how it formed, and how it developed into the atmosphere that we have today. We can't directly observe what happened, so we need to look at evidence. There are 4 important pieces of evidence that we can think about when discussing how our atmosphere was formed. First of these is volcanoes. In our video on the early atmosphere, we saw that it contained high levels of carbon dioxide and water because these were gases that were emitted during the eruption of volcanoes. We still have volcanoes today, and the gases that are released when volcanoes erupt today will be very similar to the gases produced when volcanoes were erupting billions of years ago. Therefore, if a volcano erupts, we can look at the gases that are produced, giving us an idea of what gases would have been released by the volcanoes that erupted when the Earth's crust was forming. Secondly, we can look at the atmosphere of other planets, specifically the atmosphere of planets where no life exists. It's thought that the first organisms appeared on the Earth about 1 billion years after its formation, suggesting that we might have had 1 billion years in which the atmosphere didn't provide conditions that could support life. We can therefore look at the atmosphere of planets such as Mars and Venus, allowing us to think about what the atmosphere of Earth might have been like before any life evolved. For example, in this diagram, we can see the composition of the Earth's atmosphere, which, as we've discussed, is 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. On the right-hand side, we have a pie chart showing the atmosphere of Mars, which does have some nitrogen, shown in blue, and some other gases.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make Chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.